Hi guys, live here at One Big Run, sponsored by Smoke 10. This is Irving, your fantastic Tarzan man for today. And my companions for the race day, si Roel, si Seb na maliit.
Don't forget to enjoy this event po. So maraming salamat. Here we go! March in place!
Tapos lang namin mag-warm up, and unfortunately, since I still have an injury, I won't be able to do the 10K, but I'll be running the 5K instead. But for the other guys, they'll be doing a 10K run. Hopefully I'll be able to finish today with no further injuries, okay? 1 minute to go for gun start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Union time, 1K. Whew. Masakit pa rin, so it's really hard to run, so I have to just take it easy. So for now, recovery walk, 2K. And we're finally at the U-turn slot. Okay. Time to run. Let's go! 3K recovery run. Ay, walk pala. Recovery walk. So, controlling myself na hindi tumakbo. 3K recovery walk. Bukhari. So, 4K recovery walk. So, successful naman tayo so far. As much as possible, I'm trying to pace myself. Kasi bawal pang tumakbo. Well, there are instances wherein tumatakbo pa rin ako, but majority of the entire 5K, naglalakad lang ako. Hopefully not getting any additional injuries. Kasi it's a little bit complicated if I get more injuries this time around. So, kita na po yung liwanag. Kita na yung goal for today. Go Pips! You're almost there. Yay! Almost there. Final stretch ba tayo? Baka ma-injured tayo. Wag. Bawal tumakbo ng malakas. Dapat recovery run tayo. Recovery run! Our time is 56 minutes and 32 seconds there. Bawal tumakbo ng malakas. Recovery run for the finish. Alright? So if you have some injuries, don't push. Focus on recovery, okay? And we're done! Finish! Woohoo! Ito yung inantay ko, libreng pagkain. Ice cream, ice cream.